In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Remitly affiliate program. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access Remitly's Refer Friends feature and complete the first transfer that unlocks your unique referral link so you can start sharing it responsibly and earning rewards. First, head to the Remitly homepage. Open your browser and go to the official site. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Refer Friends. This is where Remitly hosts its referral system, which functions much like an affiliate program for everyday users. You'll notice that Remitly requires you to complete your first transfer before your special link becomes active. That's normal. It helps them verify your account and ensures your referrals are set up properly. Go ahead and click Refer Friends, review the overview so you understand how the rewards work, and remember that your friends need to sign up using the link you share for the referral to count. Keep that in mind as you proceed. Next, choose Get Started. If you see a prompt to start over, select that to begin a new setup from scratch, ensuring nothing from a prior session carries over. Now it's time to set up your first transfer. Choose Send to New Recipient. This tells Remitly you're adding someone who hasn't been saved to your account yet. In the You Send field, enter the amount you plan to transfer. As you type, you'll see they receive amount update automatically based on the current exchange rate and any applicable fees. Take a second here to confirm the rate and timeline meet your needs since both can vary. Next, select the delivery method. Click, select one and review your options. Depending on the destination, you might see bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile wallet, or other methods. Choose the option that best suits your recipient, then click to confirm that selection. Different delivery methods can affect speed and fees, so pick the one that balances convenience and cost. Move on to your payment method. Click Select One, then choose card if you prefer to pay with a debit or credit card. Using a card can speed up processing, but double-check any fees that may apply to your card type. Click Continue to proceed. Enter your details. Start with your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your official identification. Consistency helps prevent delays or verification issues. Click Continue when you're done. You'll then be asked for a mobile number. Enter your current number so Remitly can send important updates and security confirmations. Click Continue again. If you're offered any optional services or add-ons, you can choose No. Thanks to keep the process focused and streamlined. Next, confirm your payment method. If you haven't added a card yet, select Add New Card, then Continue. Carefully enter your card details. Type the card number, expiration date, and security code. Be sure you're on the secure Remitly page in your browser and never share these details outside the official checkout form. Enter your name exactly as it appears on your card and then provide your billing address. Accuracy here is essential for authorization and to avoid declined payments. When everything is filled out, click Review Details. This summary page is your chance to double-check the amount you're sending, the exact they received total, the delivery method, the recipient information, and your payment details. Look for any typos or mismatches and ensure you're comfortable with the fees and the estimated delivery time. Once your first transfer is set up and after it completes, return to the Refer Friends section. You'll find your special Remitly link ready to share via email, text message, or social media. Share it only with people you know and trust. Remind them to sign up using your link and avoid posting it in places that don't allow referral links. That way, you'll stay compliant with platform rules and maximize your rewards. That's it. You've navigated the Remitly site, set up your first transfer, and unlocked the pathway to the affiliate-style referral program. Follow these steps carefully, review your details, and you'll be ready to share your link with confidence.